never let go.
My channel today, I am participating in a challenge. It's called the End of the Summer Tablescape Challenge that's being hosted by Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime. And what she has asked us to do is simply create a tablescape for summer, for the end of summer. And that's what I have done. And if you're familiar with me, you know that Miss V loves watermelon as her decor, so of course I've incorporated some of that in my tablescape. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you my tablescape. So this is one setting, nice and simple. You know Miss V like nice and simple. So got these rattan beautiful placemats that one of my supporters sent me. Thank you, Kiki, again. And then I layered it with one of these beautiful white chargers from the Dollar Tree from another one of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Miss Karen Deneen. Thank you. And she also sent me the plates, the white plates. So that's nice and simple right there. And I just paired it with a watermelon napkin from the Dollar Tree. So that's one setting. So I got an identical setting across over there. And then this is the second setting, same but different. Still have the white charger, but I paired it with this decoupaged plate that I did using Dollar Tree napkins. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll link it below. And then I also got these beautiful white linen napkins from the beautiful Karen Deneen also, and use my succulent DIY napkin ring on it. And if you're interested in seeing that video, I'll also link that one. So I'll have two videos linked below in addition to Kimberly Davis channel and the playlist in my description box. So check out my description box if you're interested in seeing how I created this plate and the napkin and the succulent napkin ring. So I got an identical setting over there with a different succulent napkin ring. All my napkin rings are different. My succulent napkin ring, they're different succulents. They're not all the same. And so this is my centerpiece. I just paired it with some pineapples. So for the summer, I was in love with, love with pineapples and watermelon for the summer. So I just used some of these Dollar Tree tea lights and wrapped some gold diamond wrap around it and just added this little crackle glass globe that I got from the Dollar Tree. So you don't even have to attach it. That way you can change it up as you like. And I got this cute little pillar candle holder from the thrift store for $1.99, which was regularly $11. And then I just added one of those Dollar Tree globes to it in a candle. To include what I used for the summer, which were pineapples and watermelons. So that's going to conclude this video. So if you're new to my channel, I am Miss V, and my channel focuses on saving you money in all aspects of life. I save you money on home decor by reusing items you already have in different ways. I save you money on your finances by giving you ways to pay down debt, as I am doing the Dave Ramsey debt-free program. And I save you money on groceries and household items by encouraging you to shop on the clearance rack and use coupons. So that's it. That's basically what my channel is about. It focuses on anything that focuses on helping you to save money. So as I stated earlier, I have the two DIYs, the plate DIY and the napkin ring succulent DIY in the description box. I'll have Kimberly channel and the playlist in the description box. So that's Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save some money. Thank you and have a nice day.